Are you filming this?
Yes.
That one has a screwed up tail down there.
Oh my god.
Just come get the fucking peanut. Do you see it? Yeah, you see it?
Once you do it.
I thought he was going for it. Did you get it? You got it?
I got it.
You know, it's like, I want a squirrel. I want a squirrel. I want a fucking squirrel.
Okay, they deserve peanuts now.
That was...
Hey, kitty pie. Hey, buddy. Oh, such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Yeah. Good girl. That's a good girl. That's your favorite, right? The animal crackers? Hmm? Good girl. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Get your belly. Oh, that's the belly.